Let's see the remaining commands in insert menu of Microsoft Excel. Here we have got link command. Link command is used to link your file to some other file. For that purpose, just click inside any cell. You can type text also. For example, I have typed next. Now I want to link this to another file. This is also called the hyperlink. To create a hyperlink, just click link button over here and select the file you want to link with this file. For example, I want to link student attendance file here. I'll just click the file name and click OK. It will link the desired file on my page. Now I can press Control or I can just click this link and it will open that file for me that has been linked with this file. This file was present in my documents. Now if you want to create some other link, for example, I say our website. This is the link. Now I want to open my website through Excel. My website is pictacademy.com. First of all, I'm going to copy the link of my website. This is the URL of my website. I will copy this URL and then I'll go to Excel and click link. The shortcut for hyperlink is Control K. Here it is demanding me address. I will paste the address of my website and just click OK. Now whenever we click this link, it will open our website pictacademy.com. That means hyperlink can also link a website on your Excel sheet. Okay. This was about hyperlink. The shortcut for hyperlink is Control K. You can type anything, any text, and then select the cell, press Control K, and create a hyperlink to that cell. Here we have got hyperlink file. Okay. This is the way you can create a hyperlink. If you don't want hyperlink, just right click the hyperlink cell and click remove hyperlink. Right click and remove hyperlink. Now you will click that next. It will do nothing. Okay. Next option is a text box. Text box, you have used text boxes in Microsoft Word also. This is used to add some text. For example, I have created a text box and now I am going to drag it over my worksheet. I can type any type of text in this text box. I've got a shape format tool here also. It helps me modifying my text box. For example, I have modified it and I've created the style for it. I can apply the text styles also. Just select the text and apply any style you want on your text. I can resize and align my text from the home menu according to my requirements. If you don't want that text, just click the text box border and press delete button from your keyboard and it will be removed from your Excel sheet. Next option is header and footer. Header and footer are the top and bottom notes of your page. These are not for sheet. This is a sheet. Okay. If you want to apply header and footer, you have to go to page layout. How can we switch from sheet to page layout? Here at the bottom of Excel, you can see that there is a zoom slider, and with zoom slider, you can see three buttons: sheet normal view, page layout, and page break preview. Here, when you will click the page layout, it will bring Excel sheet in page format. When you will click the sheet layout, it will take you back to the sheet view. Now I'm going to click page layout and now I can apply these things, header and footer. Here it will take me to the header section. I can type some text in header. I can insert the page number also on header. I can add date and time on header also, and there is another choice, yeah, that you can add a picture here also. Okay, now I'll add picture in the footer because there is no space left on my header. In the footer, I'll add my logo in this center. For that purpose, I'll click header and footer toolbar and click picture, and I'll click work offline, and it will take me to the place where I've copied my logo. I don't know whether I've got my logo or not. Yes, I've got my logo over here. I can choose this logo picture. Okay, now it is showing me my logo at the end of my Excel sheet. This is the way you can add your header and footer. If you will switch back to sheet view, it will not show header and footer. But when you will print it, it will show you file, print, the header and footer. Header will be on the top and footer will be on the bottom of your sheet. Okay. Now, next option is word art. This is to add some stylish text on your sheet. For example, I want to add this style, and now I'm going to type something over here. This is a text that I've added to this sheet. You can go to shape format to edit that text also. Here you have got multiple styles, text effects, text rotations, text directions. You can choose any of it and apply it to your desired text. If you don't want that text, just click the border of that text and press delete button from your keyboard. It will remove the word art text. Next to that, you have got the signature line of option that you have used in Microsoft Word earlier. Let's see. It is used to add a signature line. To add a signature line, just type signer name, signer's designation, and signer's email address. And now you can just click OK. It will add a signature line at the end of your sheet. Place it wherever you want to write your signature. If you don't want this, you can just click the border of it and press delete button from your keyboard. Next option is object. Object is used to embed some file as an object on your sheet. How? Let's see. I'll click object, create from file, and then I'll click browse, and here I've got some files. I'm going to add this file good as an object. I'll click OK. Here Microsoft Excel will place that file as an object on your sheet. You can see that it was a Word file, and now it is placed on my sheet as a object. It is like a picture. I can increase and decrease the size of it. I can move it to any place wherever I want. I've got shape format tool for this also, from where I can apply the formatting on this object. If you don't want this object, just click the border of that object and press delete button from your keyboard. Next option is insert the equation. It is used to add mathematical equations on your page. You can just choose any of these equations to add on your sheet. This is the mathematical equation of e power x. If you don't want it, just click the border of it and press delete button from your keyboard. Next option is about the symbols. It contains multiple symbols. Here you have got multiple symbols. It has multiple categories. We use this category often. This is known as webdings. Webdings 1, webdings 2, webdings 3. There are multiple webdings categories. You can choose any of it, and then you can choose the symbols you want to insert on your sheet. the symbol whatever you want to add on your sheet. Here you can see I have added some symbols on my sheet. If you don't want these symbols, just select the symbols and press the delete button from your keyboard. It will remove the symbols. This is how you use the insert menu in Microsoft Excel.